Hello again, I hope you are well. In this video, we are going to learn a simple way to manage alarms in an ignition designer screen. If an alarm is defined for a tag, a small bell icon appears beside the tag's name. For example, for this Boolean tag, one alarm named fault is defined. This alarm is activated when the tag's value is equal to 1. As you see, there are several settings for defining an alarm. For example, let's set a 5-second delay for this field. So the alarm will be activated after 5 seconds. If the alarm condition is true for only 2 or 3 seconds, the ignition platform won't generate the alarm. Now let's add this component, alarm status table, to see and manage alarms on the screen. This component has several properties like others. Let's use that with its default properties. Now let's activate the alarm condition. You will see the alarm will appear after 5 seconds. Now let's deactivate the alarm's condition. My alarm message won't disappear until I acknowledge it. Now let's test another setting for the alarm. I want the alarm message to appear immediately when its condition is true. But once the alarm condition stops, its message should disappear after 10 seconds. Now I'm going to disable my alarm condition. You'll see that its message will disappear after 10 seconds. Okay, let's define an alarm for an analog signal. Let's assume this signal with a data type of float represents the liquid level inside a tank, where the minimum and maximum values for the level are 0 and 100 centimeter. I wanna set up a high-level alarm that will display the alarm message when the level exceeds 90 centimeters. Well, with this setting, the alarm message will trigger when the level exceeds 90 centimeters. Due to the 5 centimeters deadband, the alarm will be cleared when the level goes below 85 centimeters. Now let's test the configured alarm. Alright, I've defined and tested 2 alarms. Thanks for watching this video.